Good morning friends, this is Professor Kadir Sheikh from MIT Aurangabad. Today we will see how to draw the development of one pentagonal pyramid with its cut section. So to start with, I am reading the question. Question number 1. Draw the development of one cut portion of one pentagonal pyramid of base side 40 mm and height 75 mm. So this is the question and the cut section is shown here. So figure shows the cut section of the front view of the pentagon. So to start with, first we'll enclose this cut section into the front view of pentagonal pyramid, which will be looking like a triangle. Now to draw the top view, let me project the side which is equally distributed from the axis 20 mm both the side. So I have projected it down and construct the pentagon. Now name the corners of the pentagon as A, B, C, D with apex O as a center. Join all these corners with the apex so that you can see the slant heights from the top view. Now take the projection of corner A and C in the front view and name it. Similarly, name the other corners as E dash, B dash and D dash as another slant edges of the pentagonal pyramid. Now name the apex as O dash. After that, to draw the true length of the slant heights, either it may be OA, OC or any other slant height, because no slant height O dash, A dash or O dash, E dash or O dash, C dash, no slant height is showing true length. So to find out the true length, let me consider OC as a slant height in the top view. So with OC as a radius and O as a center, draw one arc which will be the construction circle of pentagon. At point M, it will cut the construction circle of pentagon. Now project this M in the front view so that you can get M dash as the front view. Joining O dash to M dash, we will get the true length of the slant height OC. Now getting one slant height of the pentagonal pyramid will be equal to the remaining other 4 pentagonal slant heights. So we'll start the DLS now. Now to start the DLS, with center O dash and radius equals to the true length O dash M dash, draw one arc. After that, measure the side, any side which will be showing true length in the top view, like A in the compass, and draw the 5 sides which will cut the arc at point A, B, C, D and last point will be again A as a DLS of this pentagonal pyramid. Now join all these corners with the apex O dash so that now we can see the 5 different triangles attached with each other as a development of the pentagonal pyramid. Now we will locate the cut section. So to start with the cut section, let me start with the bottom triangle which starts from A dash, B dash and ends at C dash. So naming these cutting points as P dash, Q dash and R dash. Remember, A dash and C dash are also the cutting points, but we are not naming them differently. So as this triangular cut, it cuts all 5 edges or slant heights of the pentagonal pyramid. So you will get 5 cutting points. So cutting all 5 sides, getting 5 cutting points. So one will be at A dash itself, another will be P dash, Q dash, R dash and last one is the C dash. Now we'll project all these cutting points in the development. Now project P dash and Q dash on the true length. Now making the distance from O dash to this projection on the true length and O dash as a center, draw one arc. Now this arc is shown by green color. Now we know that P dash and R dash will be lying on this arc and they should cut these slant heights O dash to E dash. So here it should be E to O, and D dash to O dash means D to O. You will get cutting point R somewhere here and cutting point P somewhere here. Now project Q dash as well on the true length. So all cutting points we are projecting on the true length, and we are measuring the radius with O dash as a center and this much distance. Again we are drawing the arc. Now Q dash lies on this it lies on the the slant edge B dash to O dash. So the projection of Q dash should cut BO. So here it should be Q dash. So projecting all these points Q dash, R dash and P dash on the respective slant heights and joining them by a thick line, you will get the DLS of the lower cut portion of this pentagonal pyramid, which looks like a triangle in the front. Now projecting the top cut section of the pentagonal pyramid. Now first, as it cuts all the 5 slant heights, so you'll get at least 5 cutting points. So 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash are the front side cutting points, while 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash are the back side cutting point. Now we'll see how we'll getting the additional cutting point 6 dash. That we'll see afterward. Now first of all, project 1 dash, 5 dash, 2 dash and 6 dash because their lines are the same height. So obviously we'll get a single projector. So project them on the true length. Draw an arc. Now this arc is shown by purple color, and this arc will be for 4 cutting points like 1, 5, 2 and 6. Now I'll project them. So 1 dash will be on AO. So as you are seeing 1 dash on AO, so it should cut the AO. Then 2 dash is on BO, so BO, so the arc is cutting BO at 2 dash here. Similarly 5 dash is on EO, so EO is here, so this purple arc is cutting EO at 5 dash. Now again the last point will be the 1 dash, which will be on OA. After that, to get point number 6 as a cutting point, project it in the top view. So in the top view you can see the point number 6 is the middle point of AD. So as it is the middle point of AD, so AD shows the true length. So here also in the DLS, take the middle point and draw one line. So this line will be the line on which the 6 dash will lie. So 6 dash, again same projector purple color, and it is cutting this yellow point slant height here at point 6 dash. So we have located 1, 5, 6, 2. So all cutting points. Now locate the cutting point 4 dash, which is on DO. 3 dash is on CO. So project 4 dash on the true length and draw the arc. Now as 3 dash is directly on the true length, so we can draw the arc through it, and as 3 dash is on C dash O dash, so in the DLS also it should be on C to O dash. So here will be the cutting point number 3, and cutting point 4 number is on DO, so you have projected it should be on DO here. Okay, now join all this cutting point by a straight line. Show the inner slant heights by a thick line. So friends, this is the development of the cut portion of one pentagonal pyramid. Now remember one point, that the DLS of any object is having all the true dimension. Either it may be a true side or it may be a true slant height. This point you have to remember. Then the number of cutting points like P dash, Q dash, A, C. So number of cutting points are always equals to the number of slant heights or edges the solid cuts, the section cuts. Okay, so remember, the number of cutting points are the always equals to the number of sides or edges cut by the section plane. So thank you for your patience listening and watching this video.